Hey guys, it's Abby from React, and in our first experiment today called the silver egg experiment, we're going to be showing how objects' appearances can look different depending on how light is refracted through the medium in which they are put in. So the first one, you're going to need an egg, some sort of clear cup. You can use like Tupperware, it just has to have like depth. We're going to fill it with water later, tongs, and a lighter. Okay, so first things first, take your lighter and hold the egg in the tongs so you don't burn yourself. And what you're going to want to do is just light the egg using the tongs to rotate it. It might take a minute, but what you're shooting for is to get the entire shell covered in a black soot. And so just keep lighting it and rotating until you get that. Be very careful when lighting this, and a pro tip is so the flame doesn't like curve around with the shell and you can evenly coat it, is try to put it directly under where you're trying to light. So for example, for this edge, you just go right under it and just keep doing it till it's completely covered in black. Using the tongs, carefully and gently place the egg in the water and observe from the side or the top and see how the egg changes color. So the reason this looks silver is because when you burn the shell, it is creating different carbon layers that create the soot, and basically these carbon layers are trapping little air bubbles. So when you put the egg in the water's not actually coming in contact with the shell itself, more rather the layer of soot around the egg. So when the light goes through and refracts, it's refracting off these little air bubbles and pockets made by the carbon layers. And since air isn't black or white, it just turns this strange little silver color because of the water being reflected.